Right lads, someone's been killed in Gartmore Road and it's been sad. You know, the parents of that have been killed for like, you know, they've been sad, mate. What?
What is he talking about? Oh! Ah! He's back! Let him! Let him! Screw you, Ted.
Oi! Oi! Use your stuff and be some shagging! Hey! Use your stuff and be some shagging! Use your stuff and be some shagging! Get him off me! Get him off me! Get him off me! Hey! Hey, use your stuff and...
Come on.
Hey, use your stuff and be some shagging! Oh, fuck.
Oh, bro!
Control myself, and I'm sorry I did it, but he made me so mad.
Look at you! Up!
Right, where the fuck are we?
I don't ken, but I'm shit scared. Any of you's got your phones? Mine's been lifted. Think about it. Where's Blair? Ah, wee bastard, he better not have ran off.
He's probably ran off to the shops to get some drinks.
Fair enough.
We're playing A Question of Sports next, here on BBC One Scotland.